draw a square of side 5 cm geometrically and inscribe the largest possible semicircle inside it. First, construct a square. For this, draw a 5 cm line. At one end point of the line, construct a 90-degree angle using the compass. Now set the distance of 5 cm in your compass and draw the arc from one point, similarly from the other point. Now draw another arc and join all the points. We got a required square. Now draw both the diagonals. Now construct a semicircle from the center, taking the diagonal as a diameter. Now from the same center, draw two arcs on the opposite side. Now bisect this line. Now join the point where this bisector cuts the semicircle to the end point. Now from this point, draw a line parallel to this bisector. Now from the point it is cutting the diagonal, draw another line parallel to the second diagonal. Now the point where this line is cutting the side, draw a semicircle. Now this is the required semicircle, which is also the largest possible semicircle inside the square.